2 takes.
Without even hearing the song once.
2 takes, dude.
You're giving me 2 takes?
Yeah. What are we doing today, dude?
We're playing drums, and we're covering drum songs. As of recent, so I was like, all right, cool. Let's spit out some drum covers. Lost my drum seat, so I'm pretty pissed. There's always something missing when we come home. Our equipment and our dignity. Then we gotta slowly rebuild it. Buy new equipment, build up new dignity.
Pretty flexible, dude.
Oh yeah, baby.
You miss being on tour?
I do.
Why?
I don't know, dude. I'm just popping off on everyone. Hey, can you help me take the trash out? No. I ain't taking shit out! Don't ask me again! On something, because yeah, I'd love to put that. I have not practiced or rehearsed these songs once.
And how do you know how to play them?
Be creative over it. It's like painting a art piece or a canvas. You don't know exactly how it's going to turn out, but you just start doing it, and then at the end you get a result.
What have you been doing?
Dude, I've been working, dude. Working my tail off, dude.
What are you working on?
I'm flying around, I'm drumming, I'm speaking with Linda McMahon at education conferences, I'm out in here drumming at the Noise Nest. I live multiple parallel lives all day long, that's what I do. I don't really know how to realize that I'm tired, so I just always kind of push the extra notch. But then I sleep really well, so that you win, double win. You get good sleep, and you push yourself forward even more, even when you're a little bit tired. But it's really shit like this that gives me energy, playing drums.
How would you rate that one out of 10?
3.
3?
3. 3 out of 10. I could probably do another one if we want to.
No, that was the one, dude.
Whoa.
You had 2 takes.
I have 2, that's it?
2 takes.
Without even hearing the song once. You're giving me 2 takes?
Yeah.
Dude, and this thing's out of angle, dude. This is how you expect this to look? Listen to your boss.
If you want the
Whatever
ceiling.
you need, boss.
Whatever you need, boss.
Whatever you
tell
need,
me.
boss. I point the screen however you need, boss.
You miss Travis?
No. I don't. My life is peaceful. And then Travis comes into it and it's chaos.
It's a good fitting shirt right there.
I come prepared, dude. We don't know what we're doing, man.
What song is next, dude?
I don't know, dude. Probably another Fred Again song. The colors and the gobos. It's an iPad and it changes the colors. I don't know why, but we're gonna go with blue. I was feeling blue.
What's a gobo, dude?
Those 3 things behind me, those are gobos. They help isolate sound.
All right, dude. Well,
Let's rip.
have a good session, man.
See you later, bro.